Now we will install con strips into our riparian zone. So here's our stream. Now I'm going to take about 16 footsteps into our riparian zone, which also equals about 5 meters, so that we can find a place to securely attach our cotton strips. And here I have some shrubs and some trees, and this is a perfect place to put my cotton strips. So okay, and so we have our cotton strips, and so for our upstream riparian zone, you'll only have cotton strips, but for your downstream riparian zone, you'll also have an IDOT logger tied to this cotton strip. So here, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this cotton strip to the tree. You want to do a couple of knots. Okay. Make sure it's lower on the tree, and then from here you'll want to get the cotton strips close to the ground, close to the soil, and then cover up your cotton strips with some leaves and make sure they're flat against the soil. Cover them up with leaves, and then so you can find this when you come back. We've included some flagging for you, and you're done.